Welcome to AFT 24/7 Noida, and here we are celebrating 33rd alumni meet of Asian Academy of Film and Television. And here we have a very esteemed alumni of our college. Sir, may I please know your name?
Shubham Gupta.
Okay, and which batch were you from?
I'm from batch 103, music production.
Okay, and how has your experience been after college? What was the journey like after college? Getting placed or getting an opportunity to work all these years? How has it been?
I think AFT is doing a great job. Like they are bridging a gap between a student and an industry.
Yes.
So basically, I learned a lot. I explored a lot, and then I founded my own music academy, SGS Music.
Oh, wow.
So I'm running my own music academy and studios. So now I'm giving placement to AFT students also.
Wow.
So AFT students are coming to me and they are like doing internships in my studios, and they are like partnering with me at my academy. And now I'm giving them jobs, and we are like creating new jobs and job opportunities also. So we are educating people on the industry standards, like how music is working nowadays. So we have like certificate courses, we have diploma courses for them. So like we are truly into music education field now.
Okay, so it's safe to say that life has come to a full circle from being a student of AFT to now giving employment to the students of AFT. One thing, apart from these things, I would like to ask you a very creative question is that there are so many music composers and producers in this industry. So, is there anyone in specific for me that is A.R. Rahman? Because I also have a music background. So, who is your motivation in this industry?
Same goes for me. Like the one of the best composer that I can tell, like he's A.R. Rahman for me. So he's also like he's a doctorate from Berklee College of Music. I have also learned from Berklee Online.
Wow.
So I follow him a lot to A.R. Rahman. I also got chance to like do audio engineering from KM Music Conservatory, A.R. Rahman's college.
Yes.
So I've done audio engineering also. I met him also. So like
That is lovely.
he's one of the best composer, I think.
My dream.
Yeah.
So, in music, as I know, there is a lot of competition, a lot of struggle that people are facing these days. How are you going to make it simpler for the students or the employees that are in your industry? I can see that you are following the path of A.R. Rahman, having your own music conservatory as he has. So, how do you think you're going to make it simpler for other people?
So I think like competition is there, but if you are educated enough, if you have those skills, so the thing that AFT is doing, so if you are having those skills that which are required in today's industry, so whatever the competition is, that doesn't matter to you. If you have that skills, you can do your job easily. Yeah.
Can I say that joining AFT has really polished your skills and have made you see a real clear path of the future that you want to pursue?
Yes, surely. Like AFT gives me that environment so that I can pursue my dreams. Like I came here for being a music producer. So along with a music producer, now I'm an audio engineer, music educator, and everything. Like multitasking. Yeah.
Okay. Lastly, just a last question that I want to ask you is: can you give few simple words, few simple sentences to motivate the current batch of our college, the current batch of our students who are pursuing different categories of masters, bachelors, and all sort of thing? So, how will you motivate them?
I just wanted to say that don't waste time. Like when students come to college, they think like let's enjoy the college life. They forgot about studies, about taking knowledge. So utilize your time as much as possible, gain the knowledge, and then that knowledge you are learning in AFT, like professional school, where you are learning the right knowledge, not just a history books. You are not reading just a history books. So if you learn that, if you develop that skill, that help you a lot in the like real market. So just don't waste time and focus on the skills. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'm sure that our students are highly motivated, and we wish you all the luck and success in your future. We hope that your conservatory is the most famous conservatory in our India, even in our world. So thank you so much for that. And to keep watching such videos, please stay tuned to AFT 24/7 Noida. This is Vedika with camera person Satvik Jaiswal.